Welcome to the GCSE Maths Advantage. I'm Dr. James Carter, and every episode I'm going to break down one topic, show you where the marks are, and give you a quick win you can use in your next exam. Whether you're targeting a grade 7 or pushing for a 9, let's get into it.
This one tiny mistake cost more students marks than any other on last year's papers. They answered the wrong question because they misread the command word. Sound familiar? Imagine writing a full solution to solve an equation when the paper actually asked you to show that. You can lose method marks even if your maths is strong.
In the next 10 minutes, I'll decode the 5 command words examiners use most: show that, find, solve, explain, and give a reason, and show you exactly what to write to collect method marks even if the final answer slips away. Let's work through this step by step.
First, what do these words actually mean on a paper? Show that tells you the examiner will give you the final expression, and they want you to demonstrate the maths that links the start to that result. Key point, you must start from the line they expect you to use, or from a sensible algebraic identity, and then simplify to their given expression.
Find means the examiner wants a numerical or algebraic answer, often a single value or small set of values. You can get method marks by showing the steps you use to get that value. Solve usually expects you to rearrange and work through an equation until you isolate the unknown. It implies a demonstration of the full solving process.
Explain and give a reason are about justification. They don't want more algebra, they want a clear sentence that links facts. For geometry, that might be angles in the same segment are equal. For algebra, it might be substitute x equals 2 into the expression to check it equals 7. Short, precise language wins here.
Why does the wording change what you write? Because examiners award marks in 2 kinds: method marks for a correct route and accuracy marks for a correct final answer. If you demonstrate the method in a recognizable way, you often pick up M marks, even if you slip on arithmetic and miss the A mark.
Right, let's do a worked example in algebra and annotate where the marks are given. Example 1. The paper says, show that x plus 2 times x minus 3 equals x squared minus x minus 6. Start from the left-hand side, expand step by step, and simplify to the right-hand side.
Right. Start with x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. Expand x multiplied by x minus 3 plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 equals x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Simplify. X squared minus x minus 6. That's the examiner's line, so you've shown that. For this show that question, the examiner usually looks for a clear line of algebra. That's your M1 for correct expansion and M1 for simplification. Then the A1 when the final expression matches exactly.
Notice I boxed the starting line and the end line. Examiners love that. Write it down, don't just think it. If you start from the given LHS and arrive at their RHS, examiners give full credit for the method, even if you made a small arithmetic slip earlier.
Now, a geometry example with give a reason. Question. Angle A subtends the same arc as angle B. Find angle A. If the diagram shows angle B is 40 degrees, the correct answer is 40 degrees, with the reason angles in the same segment are equal. That's your A1 for the value, and the reason line secures the method justification mark.
Mark breakdown summary. For a multi-mark question, you'll often see M marks awarded for each correct step or method milestone, and an A mark for the final answer. For justification questions, the reason is the step that gains the mark. Always ask, what would I need to show here for someone to be convinced, and then write that exact step.
Let's turn that into an exam checklist you can use every time. 1. Read the command word and underline it. 2. Decide your start point. For show that, use the given expression. For solve, set the equation up. 3.
Write the first algebraic line explicitly. That's often an instant M1. 4. Label your final answer, and where required, write a one-line reason. 5. Box or underline the final answer so the examiner finds it quickly. Curious! A single sentence that often wins an M1 is start from given expression and simplify to target expression. For example, start from x plus 2 times x minus 3 and simplify to x squared minus x minus 6. That sentence tells the examiner you know the intended method immediately.
Quick win, 3-second conversion table. For show that, start from and simplify to. For find, solve for to get. For solve, rearrange and isolate x giving. Write that starter line at the top of your working and you'll often pick up M marks even if the arithmetic goes wrong. Before you hand the paper in, do this 10-second check. Read each question's command word again, confirm your boxed answer matches the command, and for each multi-mark question, ask yourself, have I shown the key step the examiner expects? If in doubt, add the one-line starter. It costs nothing and gains marks. Practice challenge. Try these now. Part A. Show that 2x plus 1 times x minus 4 equals 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Write the first line you would place on the paper and the one-line starter phrase. Part B. Give a reason why angle C equals 50 degrees. Your complete answer should be one clear sentence. I'll give you 10 seconds for each. Go.
Model answers. Part A, starter line. Start from 2x plus 1 into x minus 4. Expand to 2x squared minus 8x plus x minus 4 equals 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. That expansion path secures the method marks. Part B, model answer. Angle C equals 50 degrees because angles in the same segment are equal. Short and exact. That gets the reason mark.
Let that sink in. Mark-winning phrasing is often a short, precise sentence that points the examiner straight to your method. Marks are there for the taking if you show your route clearly. Write it down. Don't just think it.
That's your quick win for today. If this helped, share it with a friend who's revising. You'll find more worked solutions and revision resources at jcacademyonline.co.uk. Until next time, trust the process and nail that exam. Stay curious.